Harry, I give you this ring
Harry, I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honor you.
With my body, I honor you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have,
And all that I have,
I share with you.
I share with you.
Within the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
I, Harry, take you, Meghan,
To be my husband,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
to love and to cherish.
till death us do part.
Think about a time when you first fell in love. The whole world seemed to center around you and your beloved.
And the moon is the only light we see.